So while most brands have already launched their Snapdragon 8 Elite powered flagships, Sony is yet to announce the next gen of its Xperia 1 series. But now, finally, we not only got a look at the upcoming Xperia 1 Mark 7, showcasing the handset from all angles, but also its expected launch date and some specs. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, whether you like it or not, as per the render, Sony will stick to their favorite design language. Yes, a display with thicker top and bottom bezels, unlike other brands which are competing to offer a bezel-less screen. The display will remain the same at around 6.5 inches OLED display, most likely with an Full HD Plus resolution. While if we look at the rear of the handset, the things are pretty much similar here too. A minimalist vertical camera island with 3 camera sensors. So as a whole, we can say anything has hardly changed compared to its predecessor. However, dimension-wise, there are some slight changes. So the Xperia 1 Mark 7 will be 161.9 by 74.5mm, so making it slightly shorter and wider. For reference, the Xperia 1 Mark 6 was 162 by 74mm. Moreover, the upcoming Mark 7 will also be marginally thicker, measuring 8.5mm compared to 8.2mm on its predecessor. On the right side of the handset, Sony will continue to offer side-mounted fingerprint scanner given below the power button, a volume rocker and a dedicated camera button. And yes, there will also be a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a very rare thing to see these days. Now, specs-wise, though not much is known at the moment, but talking about the camera sensors, as per some rumors, there could be the same 48MP main camera with a 1/1.35 inches sensor size, a 12MP ultra-wide with 1/2.5 inches sensor size and 16mm focal length. So these specs are the same as the Xperia 1 Mark 6. However, there are said to be some changes in the telephoto sensor. Though it will maintain its 12MP resolution, but as per a known tipster for Sony leaks, there could be a telephoto sensor with around 1/2 inches sensor size. So, though he didn't mention the exact value, but still it's bigger than the 1/3.5 inches sensor size on the Xperia 1 Mark 6. A bigger sensor means it can offer more detailed images in low light situations. Further, the telephoto sensor is said to offer a bigger 70 to 200mm focal length range, which is an improvement over the 85 to 170mm. Now, for the rest of the specs, there will be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and an expected 5000 mAh of battery. Now, for the launch date, though the brand is style-lipped so far, but if rumors has anything to go by, we could see it sometimes next month. Anyway, rest assured, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.